Welcome back to TenorShare everyone. I just update my iPhone to iOS 16.4 and then try to share the new feature with my friend on WhatsApp. The moment I was typing, it crashed. Then I open it again and again, and it keep crashing. And I find out many people were having the same issue like me. It is the WhatsApp and the Apple problem. It will be fixed when WhatsApp or Apple release a fixed version. When will it released? Nobody know. So we need to save ourselves. The most directly way is downgrade your iPhone back to iOS 16.3. There is no other way you can do so far. Without further words, let's go. Method 1. Downgrade iOS 16.4 to iOS 16.3 with ReiBoot to fix WhatsApp crash. No data loss. This is an iOS system repair tool. It can repair more than 150 iOS system issues. Also contain downgrade function. Check out the download link in the description and download it. First, back up your iPhone. You can back up in iCloud, iTunes or Finder. I will use iTunes here. Click Backup now. Once the backup is done, connect your iPhone to your PC or Mac and go back to ReiBoot. Click Downgrade iOS. Choose Deep Downgrade. You can see ReiBoot automatically detect the version you can downgrade. It's convenient. Click Download option. The download process won't be long, depending on your network condition. Once download is okay, click Start Deep Downgrade. ReiBoot will begin to downgrade your iPhone back to iOS 16.3. It will take a while. Be patient and relax. When the process is okay, you can see your iPhone is in setup page. You need to set it up again. I will skip the not important part. When you get in the data page, if you have iCloud backup, just restore it here. If not, skip it. Okay. Now we get in the home page. Go to the setting page. General. About. You can see my iPhone is back to iOS 16.3.1 now. It's very convenient. Now let's get out data back to our iPhone. Go to iTunes, click Restore Backup option, choose your backup and click Restore. Restore will take a while, depending on your data size. Once process is okay, let's go back to check out if the WhatsApp still crashed or not. Well, clearly, my iPhone WhatsApp is no longer crash anymore. I can send message to my friend without any problem. Also the photo, video are working normally now, no matter how I close it and reopen it. It didn't crash again, thanks to iOS 16.3. If you prefer to use iTunes or Finder to downgrade, follow next method. Method 2. Downgrade iOS 16.4 to iOS 16.3 with iTunes or Finder to fix WhatsApp crash. First, we need to go to ipsw.me website. Choose iPhone and choose your model. Click 16.3 firmware and download it. Download will take a while. Be patient. Now as the process goes on, connect your iPhone to iTunes or Finder and back up your iPhone first like we just did. This is important. After the download is okay, go back to iTunes or Finder. Hold Shift key to click Update option. If you're a Mac user, hold Option key to click Update option. Then choose the firmware we just downloaded and click Open. Click Update. Then the downgrade process will begin. It will take a while, so I will skip it. Now you can see my WhatsApp is working normally now. Go try it. Okay, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have the chance, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.